Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday. Woohoo! March 14th. So, Friday, what a rough week. Volatility's been insane. Markets have just been chaotic. But that being said, as traders, we have to deal with it. So, yeah, let's deal with it. What do we got going on today, news wise? This is from forexfactory.com calendar. 10 a.m., we have preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment report, as well as the preliminary University of Michigan inflation expectations. These are red items because they shape what consumers or they report what consumers are seeing, which when consumers feel like they don't want to spend money, that contracts the economy. And so it's very important to understand and at least be able to measure what consumers are doing, since 70% of GDP or the US economy is driven by consumers. Yeah, so moving on, looking at the charts, we had a down day yesterday. Volume was below average. Um, yeah, it is what it is. It looked like it was going to continue to go down, and now we are gapping up. I just think this is more of the back and forth. I really don't see a reason why this thing's going to bottom here. There's no spike in volume, which is not telling me there's no climactic bottom, climactic sell-off. Just means that it's going to just chop sideways to down as the predominant short-term trend is down. We are now, according to the pundits, we are 10% below the high, which means we are in correction territory. I don't know what that means, but hey, we've been down for a decent number of days. Uh, Below the moving averages. Yeah, it's just not a pretty situation, and the tariff situation does not help at all. So moving on. What do we got overnight? Or should say, inventory was negative on negative price action. That's exactly, these two are supposed to be correlated. And it's when they're not that we go, what's going on? Right? And go, okay, let's check it out. Correlated today or yesterday, so everything is perfectly fine. Right. Overnight action. It's about 50 points, which is about twice average. So volatility is still exceptionally high. What are we? Where are we going? Where's support and resistance? Resistance above 5,600, 5,608, 5,622. 5635. Where could we go? Well, maybe 5660. Yeah, that could be. Um, where is resist our support? Definitely some support around 55, 65, 55, 55, 55, 50 was a big number yesterday. And of course, this 55, 40-ish area. We break below that and it gets pretty ugly. 5,500 is really where if we break below that, I'm saying, woo, we're going down. 5,500 is definitely sort of the line in the sand on the downside. So there you go. Stock Traders Almanac for this Friday is 47.6, 47.6. So a slight negative bias from the historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.